Hey artists, it is time for us to finish your winter torn paper collage artworks. First, I will be checking to make sure that you have filled in your shapes with the torn paper. So that means you shouldn't see your lines and you should be overlapping the torn paper to fill in those shapes with your main color. So I will check that, just make sure that you have filled those spaces in and given your paper a massage using stick glue. Once your torn paper is filled in, it's time to add some awesome details like ribbon or a bow or an extra thing that you write, like here on this gift I wrote to Mom, or if you have a tree, you could add lights or decorations, and I'll show you what your options are for those extra fun details. We have some cotton balls that you can pull apart to use for snow. There's some ribbon. These are called spangles, so these are like bigger pieces of glitter. We have pom-poms that are smaller that you can use, and then some foam stickers as well. If you do decide to use pom-poms or cotton balls, only take one cotton ball and then you're gonna pull it apart. If you want to use this for snow or something like that, it's really easy to pull apart, and then it'll be a little bit easier to attach to. So I'm pulling this apart to create snow. So only take one cotton ball, probably, unless you're filling a really big space, and you could have more than one. And then if you're gonna attach one of the pom-poms, those two items you would want to use bottle glue. Remember, you need to twist the top of your glue bottle, make sure it's breathing, and then where you want that pom-pom to go, you're going to make a nice big dot of glue. Okay, it should not be as big as the pom-pom, it can be smaller than the pom-pom. Then you're going to push it down and count to 10. Now, if you count to 10, it's still not going to be dry, so don't go and move your paper around a whole bunch. It will take a while for this to dry, so you'll want to leave it nice and flat. Now, with your cotton ball, if that's what you decide you want to glue on, so maybe I want to use the cotton ball as snow around my snowman. For the cotton ball, I'm going to just put a few dots of glue. So I want it to be like snow around my snowman. Now, instead of leaving it like that, I can use the end of my glue bottle to spread it. And then I would press my cotton ball onto that. And you kind of need to push down. That one's kind of hard to massage. So I might get 1 or 2 more pieces of cotton to fill this bottom part. But you remember, pull it apart. And then again, this is gonna take a while for the bottle glue to dry, so don't move your paper around when you are using the bottle glue. Keep it flat on your table so it doesn't tip off. I can't wait to see your finishing touches on your winter torn paper collages. Good luck.